During holidays, during weekends, we tend to do something really exciting, don't we? Sometimes it's like watching the new movie Mufasa, or maybe even having a private chat with your friend. Well, I won't find anything wrong with that, but there's something more exciting than that. Whenever I get holidays, whenever I get breaks, I don't miss to do this. My grandfather is not amongst us. May the Almighty make his grave brighter. But I have my grandmother though. It's nice to be with them, visit them, and celebrate their love. Well, I'm feeling it. What about you?
Take the time to visit your grandparents, parents, and elderly loved ones during your free moments. There is no greater feeling than celebrating their love and cherishing the stories and wisdom they share. Remember, they won't be here with us forever, so make every moment count and create lasting memories.